Hey guys, this is the ECOVACS DEEBOT X12 OMNICYCLONE, the newest flagship robot vacuum and mop from ECOVACS. This review isn't just going to be about suction power, it's about testing ECOVACS' newest FocusJet and OZMO Roller 3.0 cleaning technology. In this video, I'll cover stain removal, edge cleaning, obstacle crossing, carpet intelligence, self-maintenance, and charging speed. Most robot mops simply wipe over stains. The DEEBOT X12 takes a completely different approach by spraying, softening, and then scrubbing. Let's see if it actually delivers a cleaner floor. The most impressive features are the FocusJet and the OZMO Roller 3.0. The FocusJet technology uses 46,000 PA pressurized spray to loosen stubborn dirt before the mop reaches it. Instead of immediately scrubbing over dried-on messes, the spray softens them first. This gives the roller a better chance of removing the stain in fewer passes instead of just smearing it around. And then the new 27cm OZMO Roller 3.0 is larger than previous roller systems. It applies even downward pressure for consistent cleaning. That even pressure helps the roller maintain better contact with the floor, making it more effective on dried spills and sticky messes. And it continuously refreshes the roller with clean water while collecting dirty water during operation. This means the roller is constantly being cleaned while it works, so you're cleaning your floors with fresh water instead of repeatedly spreading dirty water across the floor. So here I'm showing a slightly dried stain. I'm first going to activate FocusJet within the app. This is where you'll see the 46,000 PA pressurized spray soaking the stain before the roller arrives. This feature is pretty impressive. I haven't seen it before. It's loosening the dried residue and softening the stain. The OZMO Roller 3.0 uses a rolling motion that continuously scrubs as it moves. That smooth, rolling action helps lift dirt and sticky messes more effectively while gliding evenly across the floor. One thing I really like is that the roller goes back to the dock to rinse with fresh water while it's cleaning. So instead of reusing that same dirty roller, it's continuously refreshed while the dirty water is collected separately. And because the roller keeps even pressure across the floor, it can scrub more consistently instead of just lightly passing over this tough, sticky mess. You can see the before and after here, and I'm really impressed. It did such a good job. I really like how it uses the FocusJet spray, and then it softens that stain, and then comes in the OZMO roller, scrubbing away, and you get a nice, clean floor. This is the X12's biggest innovation, and it's the reason it stands apart from conventional robot mops. Next, I want to talk about the vacuum cleaning performance. It has blast suction, which features a suction power of up to 22,000 PA. That level of suction gives it the power to pick up everything from fine dust to crumbs, rice, pet hair, to larger debris while still performing well on carpets. The vacuuming system also features Zero Tangle 4.0, which is a dual comb anti-tangle system. Instead of hair wrapping tightly around the main brush, the dual comb design helps guide it into the suction path. That's especially useful if you have pets or long hair, since it means less maintenance. And it also automatically adjusts suction according to different floor types. So when it moves onto carpet, it increases suction automatically, then reduces it again on hard floors to balance cleaning performance and battery life. The next feature is really great. It is one of the biggest improvements, which is True Edge 3.0 edge cleaning. The roller extends up to 1.5 centimeters toward walls. Most robot vacuums leave a thin strip of dust along baseboards because they can't quite reach the edge. Extending the roller helps clean much closer to walls and furniture. And then there's also the intelligent carpet care feature. The roller automatically lifts 15 millimeters to protect your carpet. This protects your carpets from becoming wet. And then there's also a mop roller smart cover, which covers the roller during carpet cleaning, and it also will automatically clean the carpets first, which reduces accidental moisture transfer. So it vacuums the carpet first, returns to mop hard floors afterwards, and this keeps carpets cleaner and drier. The next really great feature is the intelligent AI navigation. It gives you fast room mapping via the LiDAR system, which quickly learns your home's layout so the robot can clean in efficient rows instead of driving randomly. Obstacle recognition, and then also True Pass adaptive four-wheel drive, which is the upgraded wheel system, which helps the robot cross door thresholds, rugs, and uneven flooring. This gives it a smoother movement throughout and improved stability compared to traditional robot vacuums. The next thing I want to talk about is the OMNICYCLONE base station. Instead of leaving the roller dirty after each cleaning session, the station thoroughly washes it with fresh water to help maintain cleaning performance, and this is called the Fresh Flow Power Washing feature. And then clean and dirty water stay separated, making the system more hygienic and reduces manual maintenance, and this is called the Dirty Water Auto Management. There's also hot air drying, which dries the roller after washing. This will help reduce moisture buildup and minimize odors and bacterial growth between cleaning sessions. There is also automatic dust collection, automatic charging, so that it is ready for the next cleaning cycle with minimal user intervention. The next really great feature about this robot vacuum is the Power Boost fast charging. The battery can increase up to 13% in only 3 minutes. Instead of waiting for a full charge, it quickly adds enough battery to continue cleaning larger homes with less downtime. The smart app features are also really great. There is multi-floor mapping, so it will be able to remember each floor if you have multiple different floors in your home. And then there's room by room cleaning. Then with this, you can send the robot to clean just the kitchen, living room, or any specific room without running a full house cleaning. You can also set up no-go zones, and these let you block off areas you don't want the robot entering. There's adjustable suction and water flow, so you can customize the cleaning intensity depending on whether you're dealing with light dust or heavier messes. There's also voice assistant compatibility, and this allows you to start or schedule a cleaning using voice commands if you have a compatible smart home setup. It will also show you the real-time cleaning status. That is it for all the features. I do want to go over some pros and cons I found with this robot vacuum. The pros are that I love the FocusJet pressurized spray system along with the OZMO Roller. The stain removal performance is impressive, and then the powerful 22,000 PA blast suction is also really great. The Zero Tangle 4.0 anti-tangle brush, also the True Edge 3.0 with 1.5 centimeter edge extension for better wall cleaning is really great. Also the four-wheel drive for smoother obstacle crossing, the intelligent carpet care, the advanced OMNICYCLONE station with fresh flow power washing, dirty water auto management, and hot air drying. Another pro is the Power Boost fast charging and the comprehensive smart app. The cons I found were the premium price, only because of its premium features. The large docking station requires dedicated floor space, and the advanced app settings may take a little time for new users to learn. Overall, the ECOVACS DEEBOT X12 OMNICYCLONE is more than an incremental upgrade. Its FocusJet and OZMO Roller system introduces a new approach to robotic mopping by spraying, softening, and then scrubbing the stains, while the 22,000 PA suction, True Edge 3.0, True Pass adaptive four-wheel drive, intelligent carpet protection, Power Boost fast charging, and a highly automated OMNICYCLONE base station make one of the most advanced hands-free floor cleaning experiences available. Thank you for watching. Let me know which feature impressed you the most, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more in-depth smart home and cleaning technology reviews.